Congratulations! You have made this far. I'm so proud of you. Today, we're going to practice how to say, I'm hungry, I want to eat an apple. It's delicious in Chinese. In other words, you can say 3 sentences in Chinese. Hooray! 我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。Please repeat after me. 我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。Now a little bit faster. 我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。Now I'm gonna say it together. See whether you can follow me. 我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。One more time. 我饿了，我想吃一个苹果。好吃。Let's review. Apple or apples? 苹果。苹果。Banana or bananas? 香蕉。香蕉。Grape or grapes? 葡萄。葡萄。Orange or oranges? 橙子。橙子。Strawberry or strawberries? 草莓。草莓。Peach or peaches? 桃子。桃子。Watermelon, 西瓜。西瓜。I'm hungry, 我饿了。我饿了。I want to eat an apple, 我想吃一个苹果。我想吃一个苹果。I want to eat a banana, 我想吃一条香蕉。我想吃一条香蕉。I want to eat some grapes, 我想吃一些葡萄。我想吃一些葡萄。Delicious or yummy, 好吃。好吃。Well done, 好样的。See you tomorrow, 明天见。I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.